Hey guys, OnePlus is gearing up to launch its new flagship smartphone, the OnePlus 6. Recently, company has confirmed various features like glass back for wireless charging, and recently, OnePlus CEO has shared some camera samples of OnePlus 6 which looks amazing with impressive bokeh effect. And today, the latest report indicates that the upcoming flagship killer from OnePlus will get launched on 21st May. Apparently, the company has sent an email to those who have been selected to trial the upcoming smartphone from the company ahead of its official launch as a part of its OnePlus 6 Lab community review program. In the email, the company has listed out all the terms and conditions of the program as well as 21st May as the launch date of the OnePlus 6 smartphone. If the launch date of 21st May turns out to be true, this will be the first smartphone from the company to get released this early. The company has already confirmed that the OnePlus 6 will come with a 6.28-inch AMOLED display with a full HD Plus resolution and 19:9 aspect ratio. The company has also confirmed that the smartphone will come with a notch and there will be an option to disable it. It will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 845 processor coupled with 8GB of RAM along with an internal storage of 256GB of internal storage. Other than the 8GB RAM variant, the phone is also expected to arrive in two other options: 6GB of RAM with 64GB of storage and 6GB of RAM and 120GB of storage. The rear side of the phone is expected to feature 20MP plus 16MP dual camera setup. It is also expected to pack 20MP front-facing snappers. The device will come loaded with Android 8.1 Oreo operating system out of the box with the company's own Oxygen OS on top. Under the hood, it is speculated to be powered by a 3450 mAh battery, which will also carry support for Dash Charge Volt 2 that may let its users use it for the entire day just by charging it for 20 minutes. So hey guys, here are the information about OnePlus 6 and launch date of the OnePlus 6, which is 21st May. Let me know your thoughts about it, and if you guys enjoyed this video, then give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, see you soon.